Ma, I got a date night coming up. Ooh. And I want it to be fancy. But I'm broke.
Oh.
You got any suggestions?
I do. I have a pasta dish that's delicious, fancy, and low budget, and we're going to make it on this episode of
Cookin' with Coop. Alright, what are we making today?
For this pasta dish, we're going to make a pink sauce.
Ooh, that already sounds fancy.
You're going to take a jar of your favorite pasta sauce, within your budget, of course. You're going to add heavy cream, and boom, you're going to have a pink sauce.
Ooh, okay.
But we're going to zhuzh it up even further. We're going to saute up some sausage, and then we're going to top that all off with some luscious ricotta cheese.
Luscious. Sounds good, Mom. All right, let's get into it.
You're going to start by boiling your pasta water. Add plenty of salt, then put your pasta in and cook it according to the package directions.
Okay.
Then you're going to start your meat sauce. Put your sausage in the pan, start frying it up till it gets nice and browned. Ooh. But here's a tip. You want to take it out of the pan and put it in a bowl and use your Meat Chopper 5000 so that you don't scratch your non-stick skillet. Then add it back into the pan, put your favorite tomato sauce in, stir it up, then add the heavy cream, as much as you like, to the creamiest you like and the color you like. Can't hurt having plenty of cream.
But try to make it pink, because this is the pink sauce.
Then we're gonna take our pasta out of the water, we're gonna add it to our plate, and then put the sauce right on top. We're gonna prep our ricotta cheese by adding some salt to it, because it's a little bit sweet, and the sweet and the salt just taste so good together. Put a dollop on top, and voila, you have a fancy pink sauce.
All right, Mom, this looks delicious.
It really does.
And I am ready to taste it.
Me too.
Let's go for it. Take it.
Seriously.
That is really good.
That is like restaurant good. It's so
Restaurant good.
Oh, the creaminess of the cream.
The creaminess of the cream. It's so creamy.
Add it to the sauce, and then that dollop of ricotta cheese on top just like kicked it up a notch. It was so good. We are going to use ricotta cheese in 2 interesting ways in our next video.
Ooh.
So please subscribe and check it out on our YouTube channel.
I give this a date night guarantee. You will impress anyone with this dish.
Good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom. And thank you guys for watching yet another episode of Cookin' and Coop. Don't cook inside of me. Of Cookin' with Coop. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Amped up!
I'm pumped.
Pumped, Mom.
Amped.
I love food.
Jonesing
For some food.
Woo!
Fancy food. Pink sauce. Okay. All right.